I'm here going in our shaksha or Takasaki Municipal Office. I received letter to remind me to renew my my number card. That's why I'm here. Lapit na. That's our city municipal Takasaki. The shaksha. Shaksha. It's still green.